Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Alright, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, you guys have the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So this is telling me that somebody's coming out of feeling like they were left out in the cold. So I feel like you guys have been taking a step back, just doing some healing. Somebody could have been, okay. So, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But if not, I feel like somebody is coming back to bring in some communication to you guys really fast. Maybe they want to tell you that they want to be in a commitment with you. You know, maybe they're taking a step back stating that, you know what, I feel like you're the one for me. I want to marry you. Some of you guys, I feel like, could be getting engaged soon. So, okay. Let's see. But, you know, whoever this is, I feel like at one point you feel like this person stabbed you in the back. But, again, I feel like you guys have been doing some healing and you're coming out of that energy. But you guys are still concerned because you feel like, okay, you know what, I had to take a step back from you because you put me in this third party BS, you know? Yep, this person was being a player. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person wasn't taking the initiative to come and fix a situation, get out of a situation, just make things right. And that's why you feel like you don't see anything with this person. You know, you're not content with this individual. Maybe somebody is having financial issues, but, you know, overall, I just feel like you were looking at this person like, no, I don't have time to deal with this. But with all of that being said, the Two of Swords is here. Somebody's stuck at a crossroads trying to figure out what to do. Should I stay? Should I go? Could be dealing with an Aries, but I feel like you're just looking at this person like, you know, I've tried this with you. I really feel like there's no stability in the situation. Y'all know I have to tell you all the time, this is a general reading, so please take whatever fits your situation because it can go vice versa. Okay. So, yeah, I feel like there's a lot of back and forth energy. So it's like, yeah, you're stuck at a crossroads trying to figure out what to do one minute, but the next minute, you know, you made a decision. One minute you want things to improve with this person, but the next minute you're like, I don't know. Let's see. Tell me more, please. Yeah. You feel like, okay, if you deal with this person, you know, you're basically unsure if you're going to have a happy home with this person. Oh, Lord. Two of Cups with the Three of Swords, both reversed. Okay, so maybe some of you guys were waiting for someone to get out of a situation here. Maybe they were in some type of long-standing commitment, marriage, third-party situation. Maybe that's why you had to end things with them because they weren't making any moves. And it's just to the point, you know, for some of you guys, it's like, all right, you know what? I can't do this with you anymore. That's why you had to break up. Look, yeah, this person, you feel like, okay, they're too sneaky. So that's why you feel like you're not going to have a new beginning here. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio here, but I just feel like it's like you love this person, you care about this person, but at the same time, you've been working on, you know, healing yourself, and you refuse to allow this person to, you know, bring the worst out of you. You're not going back down that road. Look at that. This person didn't make you happy because of all the nonsense they put you in. But somebody's sad here. Maybe somebody's sad because they took some type of financial loss, but overall I'm feeling there's definitely some sadness here because, you know, you can't be with this person, or it could be this other person is sad because they really want to make things right with you. Clarify the Five of Cups, please. Yeah. Somebody's feeling like there's no balance here with their finances, which is, you know, the main reason why you guys can't come together. I feel like there was some codependency here. Look at that. The seeds that were planted, somebody feels like, okay, they're not going to grow at all, and that's why things are moving slow. But there's a tower moment that took place. Something came crashing down. Let's see. Clarify the tower, please. Okay, something came crashing down. It's like now somebody has the confidence. Ooh, the devil. Okay, somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but clarify the devil. Let's see. With the star. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I feel like at this point, there's some fear here. I feel like whoever was the one that messed up, something came crashing down on their end to get them moving. And so now it's like, okay, They see it for whatever the situation is for them. They see it, you know, for what it is. Now they're confident. They want to move forward with you. They want to have hope that they can fix things. But there's definitely some fear because there was some toxic behaviors here. Okay, let's see. They're definitely trying to stay positive. Ooh, what was that tried to come out? Queen of Swords? Maybe somebody's dealing with it. An air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, but maybe somebody's coming off really cold and harsh at this point. Let's see. Something tried to come out. Yeah, you guys are looking at this person like, you know, the way they handled the situation was very childish, very immature. This person could be younger than you, and that's why there's a lot of indecision because you're not sure what to do. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but there's definitely connection here. There's definitely love between the two of you guys. Somebody really wants to make this work. Yeah. I feel like at one point, they were so frustrated, they didn't know what to say, and now it's kind of like they're out of that energy, and they want to come towards you. They're trying their best not to look back at the past, or it could be you, Sagittarius. Somebody's trying their best not to look back at, you know, whatever took place, whatever happened, but back and forth energy. You know, I feel like at one point, you guys are weighing up your options because you're like, okay, I really love you, I want to be with you, but if I give you another chance, are there going to be secrets? You're going to put me back in this situation? You know, I don't want to do this again. But on the flip side, I feel like somebody has made a decision and they're ready to speak up. They want to tell you the truth, possibly about how they feel, maybe about what's been going on if, you know, you didn't receive clarification. Look at that, the High Priestess. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces as well, but I feel like at this point, someone's using their intuition, but they're having a hard time, I feel like, coming forward. Somebody could be dealing with the Earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But, yeah, somebody, I feel like, wants to make an offer of commitment, but they're scared. I feel like they're scared that you guys are going to reject them. Tell me more, please. Yeah, somebody's frustrated here about the situation. I do feel like, again, somebody's frustrated about their finances. Maybe that's why they're having a hard time coming towards you, because they want to get their money together, you know, their finances together, have something in their bank account, you know, to come towards you, because they don't want to come towards you having nothing, you know? Yeah, this person wants a victory with you. They're ready to take a leap towards you. They want to start over with you, but at the same time, they're stuck in their head. There's a lot of anxiety going on. Somebody is like nervous. Yeah. Somebody feels like there's no security in this situation. Yep. Somebody feels like they're not going to have a new beginning here. Sagittarius, maybe this is you. Maybe this is you feeling like, okay, the person that you were dealing with, again, you care about this person, you want to be with this person, but at the same time, you're scared to give them a chance due to the fact of everything that they put you through, and you're like, nope, you're coming to give me an offer, I don't know if I can trust, it's not good enough, so you're pouring the cup out, okay, you're over it. You're done, and it's like, you know, you really feel like you're not going to have a new beginning due to the fact that somebody was interfering in the relationship here. Somebody feels like, you know, you're just not being positive about it at all. Could have been, oh, hell. Okay, alright, well, what I was about to say is, could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. There's an earth sign here, so somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But at the end of the day, there's two people here. Y'all know I don't take the cards as being gender specific, so take it however fits your situation. But there's two women here. Could be two men, but there's definitely two people. It's like somebody has to make a decision. Maybe this person that messed up, they want to come and tell you, you know, that they made a choice. They want to be with you. They had to let go of the options. Or maybe this is you, you know, stating that you had to let go because this person wasn't making a decision. Somebody was standing in the way and you just got tired of it. You're like, you know what? I'm a good person. I don't have time to deal with the nonsense. Tell me more. Yeah, but there's a lot of conflict here going on. I feel like there's conflict going on between you and this person. There's a lot of things that have not been worked out, but on the flip side, I feel like this other person is arguing with this other individual. It could be, you know, third party, y'all know. It could be, you know, another man, another woman, family member, friend, whoever. But there's a lot of conflict going on over there. And I just feel like at this point, they don't want to argue. They're trying to get out of that. I feel like this person's trying to come back to fix things. Tell me more about the Five of Wands, please. Look at that. The World. Somebody wants a new opportunity here. I just heard for some of you guys, the third party is somebody's mother. So, y'all know, just take it however it fits. But, yeah, somebody wants a new opportunity with you. Somebody maybe preparing to come and see y'all. You know, the honeymoon card came out, so somebody wants to travel to come and see you. Maybe they want to take you on a trip. Just, you know, let it be the two of you so they can really talk to you, you know, without there being any interruptions taking place. But at this point, you guys are like, I'm not putting in the work anymore. No. So, yeah, if they want to be with you, they're going to have to prove it. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here, but I do feel like maybe somebody had to get out of a legal situation, or maybe they just want to tell you the truth about something, but they're coming in fast. They're coming in really fast to tell you something. Tell me more. They want to move forward with you, but they're not speaking up. Why are they not speaking up? Why is there no communication? Because they're trying to clear away obstacles right now. Okay, so if they were stuck in the third-party situation, guys, they're trying to clear all of that mess away because they don't want to drag you into the drama anymore. You know, they don't want you. They've hurt you enough, pretty much, you know, so they're trying to clean it up. But, yeah, there's a lot of back and forth. It's like this person wants to come in. They want to, you know, work things out with you. They want to turn things around. They want to tell you they want a family with you. But at the same time, due to the fact that they've been, like, thinking about what they did to you in the past, they feel like, okay, it's just a lot of conflict. They know they did you wrong, and they're like, you know what? I feel like we can't fix it. But there was a lesson, I feel like, for both of you guys to learn. So they're asking them to take a step back to reevaluate some stuff here. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But this person wants to give you something. It's something that you've been hoping and wishing for. But they're worried. Y'all got this person scared. They're fearing, like, coming towards you to give you this offer because of the fact that somebody's been coming off really cold and harsh to this individual. Again, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but I feel like somebody's been coming off really cold and harsh, and there's a decision that needs to be made. But somebody's been up, you know, late at night worried. They're frustrated because they don't know. I feel like it's, honestly, I'm going to be honest, for some of you guys, I feel like it's you and this other person that you care about. I feel like you're up because this person has not communicated with you. They have not told you, you know, how they feel. It's like some of you guys feel this person getting ready to come back, but they're not making any moves, and you're getting annoyed because it's like every time you try to move on, you feel this person, like, their energy, their aura around you, and it's really pissing y'all, some of y'all off. But it's like, if you want to say something to me, say it, because you guys want to know the truth. The person that messed up, they're worried because they really want to come in and rush in to tell you how they really feel, but at the same time, they're worried that you're going to reject their offer. They feel like they messed up for the last time, like this is it. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys, talk to you soon.